to my right, the Grenada Cadet Corps is lined up with a number of the flags from the respective nations, and we are awaiting the arrival of the heads now that they've concluded the official launch of the CARICOM roundabout. And just up the road from here, we're expecting them to arrive here any moment and to begin the procession into the main hall for the opening ceremony. Well, the importance of regional bodies such as ours, such as CARICOM, cannot be overstated. It is bodies like these, on occasions like these, come to life in the context of whether there's any issues in developing in any particular states that we can support and help each other. It's clear that one of the major issues, talking about hurricanes, that will be on the agenda will be the issue of climate change. Our Prime Minister, Deacon Mitchell, who will be the incoming chair of CARICOM, said recently that it is time that the international community looks at the issue of climate change and its effects on small island developing states, and he called for climate justice, an important term in the region, because of course we are facing more and more intense storm systems that are coming through. This year, of course, being a particularly active hurricane season. So we look forward to the discussions coming out of this particular meeting as well. This particular meeting will also be focusing on the issues related to food security in the region. That discussion has started some time ago, and it will be furthered and reviewed and examined at this particular meeting. We also recognize that the agricultural sector is playing a very important role in all Caribbean countries, and that's also under review at this particular meeting. And we look forward to the outcomes of that as well. Talking about climate change, we date back to 2008, 2009, when Grenada chaired the Alliance of Small Island States, and since then has been advocating on behalf of the region and playing its role, in fact, in the discussions that seeks to ensure that the regional issues, the regional concerns related to climate change, the regional impacts related to climate change are addressed at not just the regional level, but at the international level as well. So that conversation is a continuing conversation, and the heads will have it on the agenda as well in this weekend's exercise. The heads are meeting here for starting today. It's 3 days. The conference, the Heads of Government Conference, ends on Tuesday afternoon at about 4:30 with a final communique and a final press conference. But in the meantime, the issues of science and technology will be at the forefront as well. Grenada, the leadership of our country, is very much involved and in the forefront of that, as Prime Minister Deacon Mitchell is the person responsible for science and technology at the CARICOM level. And so we are eager to see what are the things that will be on the agenda to ensure that we have some